Hopefully no one breaks in on me again. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Tuesday, October 6th, and we are going to settle this right now. As you can see, my Bitmoji is dressed as French fries. What I have for you guys right here, and I'm hoping Miss Anderson plays along. If she doesn't, sorry guys. We're going to take a poll. Best French fries at a fast food restaurant. Okay, you need to complete that poll. You'll find it probably right over here. That's where I think I'm going to put it. Me, hands down, McDonald's, as long as they're hot, straight out of the fryer with lots of salt. My runner-up, and I make sure it's on the list, Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen has the best French fries, as long as they're hot. That's the key. French fries have to be hot. Anywho's, take the poll. It's just for fun. Today, you are going to work through the digestion gizmo, and this gizmo I think was by far the 7th grade favorite gizmo all year. There are 2 activities for you today, and you really have to complete both activities in order to receive your credit for today's activity, or full credit for today's activity. Okay, so click right on here, student exploration sheet. Go grab your exploration sheet, and if you can tell, it looks slightly different than it has in the past, and that is because our dear friends at Explore Learning have started making them into Google Docs for us, so I don't have to convert them anymore, saving me just a little bit extra time. So on the new Google Doc, someone's breaking in. Oh, it's Miss Anderson. Hi, Miss Anderson. I know I'm recording. Welcome. You'll see they now have boxes for you to record in. So why do we need to eat food? How do you think our bodies break down food? And then we're going to get into our gizmo. So here we go. The digestive system is a group of organs that are going to do 3 things, right? It's going to digest, you're going to absorb, and it's your elimination system. So it's where you break down food, it's where you get all your nutrients, and where you get rid of your waste. All in one fell swoop. So what you're going to do over here on our digestive system, you are going to pick out the organs that allow nutrients to be absorbed. So how do you know that? Well, if you click here, the mouth and pharynx, you can see up at the top, it gives you the description of what it does. The esophagus kind of does the same thing, and so do the large intestines. And if you notice on that large intestine, there is that key word, absorbed, from food. Okay, so if you're looking for what organs are going to help you absorb, you want to look for that word absorb. Okay, so it's right there. So obviously large intestine is going to be filled in there. So then which organ is going to compact waste before it's eliminated? You're going to look for that one. And then which 2 organs are going to help you break down food? And that is just working through your organs there. It could be a large organ, probably not going to be a small organ. Stick with those large organs to start you out. Okay. And then you're going to come down here to activity A. You need to make sure your gizmo is clear, so you can clear your screen. I have no organs there. Clear screen. And now you are going to read the descriptions of the large organs as well as those for the small ones, and then fill in the names of the organs that lead to those functions. Okay, so you've got, what, 5 there? You're going to look for the organs that absorbs water and vitamin K and write it down. What one produces your enzymes and write it in, and so on. The second part is the part that everybody likes. You are going to build a system. Now it's time to build your digestive system, and you're going to do it your own. So you're going to start with the large organs, and then you're going to go into the small ones. The key is you always have to start with the mouth, the pharynx. Okay, and now you can put them into whatever order you, oh, maybe not that one yet, would like to see them go. And obviously I'm going to end with that one, and then you're going to put, oh, we need some food. Let's grab some food. Let's put a burger in. Oh, click reset. Okay, here we go. We're dragging a food in. Cheeseburger, play. And now we're going to eat the cheeseburger. It's going to go through, it's going to digest, and you're going to see down here um, all of you. Sorry, the sounds are great. All of your dietary effects and in analysis, you are going to figure out which way works the best as we watch our burger go through our digestive tract. Hopefully, maybe. Waste is compacted and excreted. And there we go. Okay. And there is your results. Digestion is complete. Nothing was absorbed. The system absorbed no water from the food. The stool was liquid, and 60.8 calories did not enter the bloodstream because we were missing some small organs. I didn't put in any of these small organs, so make sure you do that. Okay. So once you've done that, you're gonna take a picture of it. You're gonna paste it in there, and then you're gonna fill in the rest of your information. For part B, this is where you're gonna label the parts of your digestive system and then match up how they work. Okay, I really hope you do enjoy it. That was the best highlight of my Wednesday right there. But enjoy it. I will see you tomorrow.